Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a fun crystally gold look, and I'm so excited for this video. So first we're going to remove our old design, prep, fill in, and then I'm going to build up the nails, and then I'm going to join you back actually at the tutorial so I can just go ahead and let you guys watch the prep and kind of that beginning of the video. Going to start off with this MELODYSUSIE. This is in 1118. It is like the perfect kind of see-through pink. It's a little bit cooler, and that's what I love about this one. I'm going to take this gel striping brush. This is in 12, and it is this beautiful, very gold, kind of pigmented not pigmented, like almost like chrome gold. Does that make sense? Like a chrome gold. And I am going to do a couple different designs. I really want to do a flowy, blingy design, but I'm also going to add some crystals along the way. We're just gonna wing it. Okay, I was going through Instagram. This is the artist, and look at these nails. I'm obsessed, so I'm gonna model them after this one, because look at that. Those guys seem awfully dark, even though, I mean, it's fine, I think. Okay, so what you've missed so far is I just took some builder in a bottle and I applied it to the center of where I'm doing this downward motion. Unfortunately, these are kind of like a dark gold. Not really the look I was going for, because they definitely look black. Not quite the look I was going for, but I don't have any of the, how do I say, the lighter gold, and I just was not feeling the darker gold. We are going to top coat. Again, you don't want to go over the stones. However, you do want to go over those gold accent beads because they will turn if you don't go over them. I'm using Madame Glam's pudding gel, and we are going to sugar this, so keep that in mind. I'm taking a dotting tool, and let's go ahead and start with the thumb. So this is probably going to be my biggest snowflake. I should use the bigger side for that. And you want to make sure you cleaned off your nails super well, because when we go to sugar, you obviously don't want it to stick to your other gel. I am taking my Yastard brush and I went ahead and trimmed it so you guys can see it's super, super fine. Going to just roll it in that pudding gel and dragging it up. And I think I want to add some more. So we're gonna do out the side as well. I hope I'm getting everything in shot because I'm not even looking at the camera, I'm not gonna lie. I'm more worried about my snowflake. Okay, now we're going to sugar that bad boy. This is some, it kind of looks like snow that I got off AliExpress. And I'm just going to apparently dump the entire package on there. Okay, I'm gonna cure that. Look at how fun that is. Okay, let's get to the rest. Here is the finished look. I'm obsessed with it. I think they kind of go like hand in hand. Like, how fun are these nails? But thankfully I did find that inspiration pic because I drew some of that gold and I was like, I don't know where to go from here. I want it to be festive, but not too festive. And I love that sugaring. Not quite sure if, oh, and it's all, I'm gonna find that stuff forever. But overall, I'm literally obsessed. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.